Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics page number 43, division of fraction. In this first topic is division of whole number by a fraction. Now children, let's see what is this. Now see children, if 1 is a whole number and if it is divided by fraction, now you see what we have children here, there is 1, and if it is divided into two equal in half parts, how many parts you will have children here? 2. It means if 1 is divided by half, you will have 2 parts. Now children, thus we can say that thus 1 divided by half is equal to 1 into this part I am reciprocal. This part I will reciprocal children. 2 by 1 that will give me 2 upon 1 that is equal to 2 parts. Understood children how to solve this question? With one more example I will show you this how to do. See children, if it is 3 upon 3 divided by half. Now this here there is division sign. We have to convert it into multiplication first. As soon as we convert the sign here, this number will reciprocal. Now it will become 2 upon 1. Now 3 2s are 6 upon 1 that is equal to 6. Understood children? Now children, you have come across the word reciprocal. Now children, what is reciprocal of a fraction? Now first, I am telling you to write the reciprocal of a fraction. Now children, reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7 by 1. Reciprocal of 5 upon 4 is 4 by 5. Reciprocal of 6 by 11 is 11 by 6. And reciprocal of 8, there is nothing in denominator. It means there is always 1. 1 by 8. Understood children? Now children, if you do the product of these two numbers 1 by 7 into 7 by 1, these two numbers if you do the product, you will have 1. Now let's do the product of these two numbers. 5 by 4 into 4 by 5. Here again this will get cancelled. 1. Now children, similarly 6 by 11 into 11 by 6. That will give you 1. Now here children, see what will happen if you do the product of these two numbers. 8 upon 1 into 1 by 8. Again you will have 1. It means what children? The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. Now if you do the product of these two numbers with each other, you are getting answer 1. So they are called reciprocal of each other. Understood children this reciprocal concept? Now children, let us read one sentence on page number 45. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. Now let's understand what they are telling by this statement by solving these following examples of try this. Now see children, if 7 is divided by 2 by 5, then I will convert this into multiplication, and as soon as this is converted in multiplication, this part will be reciprocal. So 2 by 5 will become 5 by 2. Now children, 7 5s are 35 and 2 will be remained as it is. Now you can convert this into mixed fraction. 17 2s are 34, 1 is remaining. 17 1 by 2 is the answer children. Now children, let's solve the second question. 6 divided by 4 by 7. The first step is that we have to convert this division into multiplication and we have to reciprocal this number. 7 by 4. Now children, we will multiply 6 into 7, that will give you 42 upon 4. Now children, this can be reduced to the lowest form also, or we can write it in the mixed fraction, and then see what I do now. 4 tens are 40 and 2 by 4. Now this I can convert. 10, 1 by 2 is the answer. Now children, the third question is 2 divided by 8 by 9. Now first step is convert this division into multiplication and reciprocal this number. 2 nines are 18 upon 8. Now children, this can be done again to the lowest form, 9 upon 4, and that will give you 4 twos are 8 and 1 9. Understood? This is the answer children to this 2 divided by 8 by 9. Understood? Now children, we are going to solve try the second of page number 45. They are telling you to find what you will have if 6 is divided by 5, 1 by 3. Now children, what you have to do first convert this into improper fraction. 6 divided by 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 3. Now children, the same division will be converted into multiplication, and this number will be reciprocal. That will become 3 upon 16. Now children, 6 3s are 18 upon 16. That will give you 9 by 8. That will have 1 upon 8. Understood children? Second question of try this is 7 divided by 2, 4 by 7. Now children, here again we have to convert this into improper fraction. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 4, that is 18 by 7. Now children, convert this division into multiplication and reciprocal this number. 7 sevens are 49 by 18. Now children, you have to convert this into mixed fraction. This will be your mixed fraction children. Now children, we have to see division of a fraction by a whole number and division of fraction by another fraction that we will see in the next video.